Hello, this video provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of February 2023. For the second month in a row, we've seen housing price increases in most of our local markets. The following are some of the key stats relative to January of this year. For Guelph, the median sale price was $740,000, which is up by 2.1%. The average sale price per square foot was $507, which is up by almost 1%. The total number of listings was 209, which is up by 33.1%, and the total number of sales was 137, which is up by 38.4%. For the Tri-City, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $700,000, which is up by 2.9%. In Waterloo, it was $749,000, which is up by 2.3%, and in Cambridge, it was $710,000, which is actually down by 6%. With the exception of Cambridge, all of our local markets are seeing median sale price increases for the second straight month. The market appears to be rebounding with a healthy amount of buyers and sellers looking to trade in real estate. Both new inventory and the number of sales are on the rise in all four of our local markets. With that said, our current level of new inventory and new sales pale in comparison to what the market was like this time last year. In February 2022, there were roughly 30 to 50% more new listings and new sales than there were last month. But these lower activity levels are actually a good thing. As we found out throughout the remainder of 2022, the market that we were in this time last year just wasn't healthy and it wasn't sustainable. While we're technically in a seller's market in Guelph, Kitchener, Cambridge, and Waterloo, we're in a healthy market in which buyers are able to buy with conditions and sellers are able to get their home sold relatively quickly. With the most recent Bank of Canada interest rate hold, I expect to see the market to continue to strengthen as we head into the spring season. If you're considering buying or selling in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me today and have a great day.